let me show you how you can quickly fix this error. All right, so this is my Vmix application. Let me launch you guys for you to see the error. Okay, so this is the error. Okay, it's a Microsoft.NET framework error. All right, this is the error, and I'm going to show you guys how to fix this. Okay, and the most important thing is that after showing you guys how to fix this error, I'm going to also show you guys how you can prevent this error from occurring, which is very, very important. So make sure that you stick to the end of the video, and I'm going to show you guys how to do that. Okay, so to fix this error, the first thing we have to do is to uninstall the Vmix application from our computer. So the first place we have to go is to go to our control panel over here. Okay, and they are going to uninstall the Vmix application from here. Okay, so when you scroll down, you see 3 Vmix files here. We are going to uninstall all of them. Click on uninstall. So let's uninstall the first one here. Uninstall your Vmix social. Uninstall the Vmix video codec. Okay, so we are done uninstalling the Vmix from our control panel. So let's go to our C drive. This PC, go to C drive. Okay, and we have to delete the Vmix files. Okay, so when you go to the program file 86, okay, scroll down and then delete. Do you have Vmix folders here? Okay, we don't have Vmix folder here, so let's check through the folders to see if you are going to get any Vmix files to delete. Okay, the leftovers. So I didn't say one of them. Go to the programs data. Okay, programs is okay. There's a Vmix file here we can delete. So you have to delete these 2 files, the Vmix and then the Vmix NDI helper. Delete these 2 files. Great, and these 2 files have been deleted. Let's go through. So we've checked this, we've checked this, we've checked this. So let me go to the users and then click on your name. That's mine, and then click on app data. If you want to enable this app data, you will go to options here. It depends on the PC you are using. I am using Windows 11, so you go to options and then you turn it on. I think you have to turn the you will turn hidden file folder. Make sure that show hidden files.driver. So make sure that this one is turned on. Okay, when you turn it on and press okay, you'll be able to access the app data over here. All right, so click on the app data, go to local, and then let's delete this Studio Coast. That's the company that did the Vmix. Delete it. This folder Studio Coast, delete it. Okay, so we are done cleaning our system, cleaning all the Vmix files from our system. So the next thing we have to do is to reinstall the Vmix application. All right, but in this case we want to install it differently. Okay, so what we are going to do here is that you have 2 options. Either you can install it in your drive D or you can install it in drive C. Okay, so if you want to install it in your drive C, you are going to create a special folder for it. Okay, so let me create a special folder for my application, and then let me name it Vmix installation. Okay, so this is the folder I'm going to install the Vmix application into. All right, okay, so this is my Vmix application I'm about to install. Okay, so I'm going to click on next, and then I'm going to change the location to the folder I've created already. So we created a folder inside. Okay, this is it. It's inside our drive C, and then we have it here, Vmix installation. Click OK. Say the folder been selected here. Go to next, and then go to next, and then let's create an icon for it. Go to next, and then let's allow the installation to finish. Then I'll come back to you guys when the installation is finished. Okay, Okay guys, so the installation is done. So let me launch my Vmix application. I've just installed. Let me launch it over here, and then let's see how it's going to perform. Okay, let me select the language, then let me go to OK. Our Vmix application is working nicely now. Okay guys, all right, so the error have been fixed and the application is working very nice. Okay, so if you want to avoid this error, make sure that you always launch the Vmix application first before you connect internet to your computer. Okay, when you do it the other way around, you're always going to get that Microsoft .NET frame error, and then you're going to get it that way. All right, so guys, I believe this tutorial have been of great help to you, and I believe you've learned something about it. Okay, so thank you for watching. I'll catch you in another tutorial. Bye bye.